Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this tutorial today. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial over this Abh Norvina collection palette and also the Abh Norvina hydro liners. We're going to be doing a review over these. I honestly can say I am obsessed. Y'all are gonna love this look. Y'all are gonna look sickening and gorgeous in this look. And I just want to give a quick shout out to PR from my boyfriend, because this PR package was from my boyfriend. I got this box and then I got some goodies inside. So I have some glitters, some glue for my glitters, a primer, a liner, and of course the amazing palette. And honestly, the packaging is sickening. So with that being said, I've already talked too much. Let's get straight into this review because I really want to waste no time. I'm telling y'all, I am that obsessed. Let's get into it. Starting off with this Anastasia Beverly Hills collection box. Thank you so much, Anastasia, for putting so much thought into this collection. I'm honestly so obsessed with everything in here, from the glitters to the glitter adhesive to the liner to just legit the whole collection. And this palette is so freaking gorgeous. Like, this is so sickening. This screams summer and just natural. I was obsessed, and we're literally gonna waste no time jumping into this tutorial. First, starting off with the eyelid primer, and I did not realize that a little bit goes a really long way, so just keep that in mind. And then I went in straight in with my concealer. I used the Master Conceal. Y'all can use any concealer. And then I went ahead and set it with the white. This has become my new favorite white because I used to have another favorite white, but I honestly love the white shadows that really just add that white base. And this was in the shade C1. Now going in with the shade E4, and just gonna be starting that from the outer portion of my crease, slowly bringing it in. I only bring it like halfway in, not too much. I also want to mention that this is going to be a Euphoria inspired makeup look because honestly that show has been going crazy. Everybody's been recommending it to me, and I'm honestly so obsessed with the makeup looks. That's really what caught my attention. So I really can't wait to watch it and see what it's about. But yeah, the makeup looks are freaking sickening, and they're so like my vibe. If y'all like makeup like that and y'all like makeup looks like that, definitely check out my older makeup looks because that is just my vibe. I also got the electric cake liners by Norvina, you guys, so I'm going to be using those in this tutorial as well, and y'all are gonna be so freaking obsessed because they're so bright and so pigmented, and it's everything. So here I'm going in with the shade E2, and I'm just using that in the inner portion of my eye, just right there, and I'm slowly gonna bring it up, slowly blending that up, just softening out all those edges, making sure everything is really blended and looks really smooth. By the way, you guys, I also want to mention these shadows blend like a freaking dream. Oh my god, like they blend so nice. So now I'm using this shade D3, and it's just a deeper red, and I'm just using that to deepen up that area. I like to use my lighter shades before I go in and deepen anything up with darker shades. So that's just a tip of mine. Keep that in mind. It would help you out a lot, I promise. So here using the shade A5, which is just like this vibrant, bright pink. And I decided to use that to blend out all that E4, I believe. Yes, all that E4, and just really diffuse all those edges and make this look really pop, because I really wanted this look, like I said, to be very Euphoria inspired, very creative, very glittery, sparkly, and I would say kind of like festival vibes, because like I feel like everybody at festivals always wears makeup like this. Like this is not even anything new to me. I'm so into the festival world and I really love the way they do their makeup. So yeah. And here I'm just taking the shade A2, like I said, using that to deepen up in that. That's literally one eyeshadow trick that has helped me out so much, is basically using my lighter shades before going in with my darker shades, and then using my darker shades to, of course, deepen up and add more depth and all that good stuff. I love going back in and adding more depth, adding more color, adding more of the same shade colors, just so that they really just pop. And honestly, you guys, I was so freaking obsessed with this look. If you haven't, please make sure to subscribe to me. I post twice a week and I feel like my looks don't get enough love, but I know that I'm talented and I know that my looks are sickening, and I know that they're gonna get the recognition they deserve soon. So don't sleep on me, because I know that I'm talented and I know that this takes talent, this takes patience, okay? A lot of patience. I feel like this look took me, I want to say like 5 or 6 hours. Usually most of my looks take me between that. So just keep that in mind whenever you're also doing makeup looks, that it's not going to come out right away. You know what I mean? It takes patience, it takes blending, it takes creativity, and you really just have to sit with your ideas, because I don't always have ideas right off my mind, you know what I mean? Like, they come to me as I'm doing my makeup looks, and that's just kind of how I come out with these crazy makeup looks. And I put on headphones. I feel like that's one of my biggest, like that's like my other big tip, is like zoning out. Like for me, putting on headphones and zoning out and just kind of being in my own world and just going straight into the makeup is everything. Like it puts me at this, like, in kind of like a meditation mode, where I'm just kind of focused on doing my makeup. Time flies by and I don't even know how long it's been. That's why whenever I say that it takes me like 5 or 6 hours, like that's not even me like joking or anything. Like that's so serious, and my looks usually do take me that long, but it's so worth it. Like it's so worth it, especially whenever I get feedback from y'all and y'all love my looks. And I haven't had anybody recreate my looks, but I'm hoping that somebody is brave enough to one day. I know that my looks are very out there, but I know that y'all would look so gorgeous and sickening in any look, so it really wouldn't matter. By the way, you guys, I cut my crease here and then I just concealed it, obviously. And then that yellow liner was the electric yellow in the cake liners from Norvina. Like I said, they are bright, they are vibrant, and they literally are screaming euphoria. Like, this is basically what I would look like if I was in Euphoria. And I feel like I should have been in Euphoria, like, just so I could show off my makeup. Like, that's it. Just put me as a, I don't know, a trash can in the back. Like, just let me sit there and look pretty. Anyways, I went ahead and I set this with the white, so the same shade from the Norvina palette, which is the C1. Now I'm taking the liner in the shade Electric Lime, and oh my god, like I said, these liners are so freaking pigmented, so bright, so gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie, the green one kind of smells weird, but overall, I mean, you're not really smelling them, you know, you're applying them to your face. So it is what it is. It really doesn't bother me. If that's something that bothers you, like smell bothers you, which, like I said, it's not something that you're gonna smell, but yeah, anywho, I would still highly recommend these liners. They're still so freaking pigmented, so gorgeous, so bright, and I'm so obsessed. I really wish I wish they would make more liners and make them more affordable, because I think that that's the only downside to these, is that you get 3 for like $30, or $30+ because I'm pretty sure it's tax. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I still feel like it's a great buy, but also for my kings and queens out there that are like me and like more affordable things, definitely keep an eye out for other liners if this is not something that you can buy, you know. I feel like if it wasn't for my boyfriend, like I said, I wouldn't have the palettes that I have, I wouldn't have the liners that I have, like I wouldn't have most of the makeup that I have. So I'm forever freaking grateful because it has helped me so much and will continue to help me because I've been building my platform basically off of his support and the fact that he gives me gifts. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just so grateful because like I said, if it wasn't for him, I really would not have these liners and I wouldn't even look twice at them because they are just way out of my budget. And yeah, so it's just something to keep in mind. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you could find liners or anything else that works just the same. So yeah. So here I'm taking the electric pink liner and I just used that. And by the way, I used the electric pink liner and I blended that more into the yellow. And what that did was add a shade in between those two because I blended those two kinda. So I made like an orange. And mind you, that was so gorgeous. And also these, what would you call it? Like these brushes, the ends of them have like circles, so you're able to add like little circled details to your look. If that's something that you're interested in, I'll add the brushes down below. I got them on Amazon. Really affordable brushes, and they really do help when it comes to gel liners or liners in general. I feel like being very precise and having a precise tip is A1 for getting the best liners out there. So now going in with this glitter adhesive glue, and honestly I can say that this smells so freaking gorgeous. It has like a perfume smell. I honestly am so obsessed with it. And the glitter is in the shade Frosted Loose Glitter, and it has like a blue tint. And it's honestly so freaking gorgeous. It's so beautiful, and I feel like I wanted to add something simple on top, but then go extra on the bottom, which is why I'm doing these chunkier glitters on the bottom. And these are by Juanita, and I'm honestly so, like, these have been my new obsession. These chunky glitters are everything. I'm gonna put them down in the bio, you guys. I got these on Amazon as well. And I really want to know who this Juanita girl is because these are so sickening. They, like I said, are my new obsession. I'm so obsessed with them. And I used the pinker glitter. By the way, you guys, I'm taking the electric yellow and I'm just using that right there in the inner corner just because I felt like it was missing something and I felt like that was the perfect add to it. Now I'm taking the electric pink and I'm just going to be using that to, in a way, overline my lips on top and then underline them on the bottom just to add that liner into my lip, just because I really didn't want to do a lip. I feel like it would have been too much for this look, but this was the perfect amount of extra. Thank you so much if you watched this whole video. It honestly means so much to me. I'm so grateful that y'all watch my videos. I really am, and I can't wait to see us grow. I'm so excited. I also want to add, you guys, that the lashes that I'm wearing are from Body Goddess Shop. I'm honestly so obsessed with the lashes that I got sent over. Honestly, if y'all want to pick up some lashes from, they literally come from being the most extreme lashes that you could find to literally some really natural ones, because I feel like these are really natural yet still glam. So if that's what you're looking for, use my code Foxies for 15% off and y'all will get 15% off any purchase. I highly suggest for y'all to go check out these lashes because, like I said, they range from the most dramatic to the most natural. So yeah, I hope they all enjoy. Alright, Foxy, so this is the finished look on the ABH, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills collection, the Norvina collection, sorry, and also the Hydro Liner Norvina collection, or gel liners. I honestly loved this collection so much, or what I got of the collection. I'm not sure if there's more to it, but I am obsessed with what I have gotten today. I will be playing with it so much more often. And yeah, I mean, I hope that y'all love this look as much as I did. I also want to add a big thank you to my boyfriend once again. That is literally the only PR I ever get, the only PR makeup that I ever get. I like to call it PR because one day I know I'm going to be getting PR from big brands like Anastasia. Anastasia, if you're watching this, so much. I love your brand so much, and I love everything that it stands for. So with that being said, thank you so much to my boyfriend. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't, please make sure to subscribe, comment, like, leave me some love in the comments. And also, if you recreate this, please make sure to DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye Foxies.